Do you want to know how you can get a premium web hosting for free without requiring your credit card information? Then follow this easy steps. Fill your complete information in the sign up form and then click on Create Account button. The confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. Just confirm it using your mailbox. Set your hosting password and log into account now. Now your hosting account is ready for use. Note, the account is currently in a trial mode, which will expire in 30 days. Also, for security reasons, the trial version offers limited access to certain resources. To fully unlock the capabilities of your account, please complete the sign-up process. If you already have a domain name, then host it here. In case you want to register new domains, please use the Registered Domains section. Note, required name servers for the domain name to be operational with your account as below: dns1.supremeadmins.com, dns2.supremeadmins.com. Okay, I hope today's video helped you to create a hosting account. In the next video, we will learn about domain registration and website creation. I have written a complete description of this video below. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.